Good morning, had a lovely night's sleep, and right now Papa is preparing the morning pancakes.
Yep.
So, always take pride in doing that, right?
Oh yeah. Make them with love.
That's your secret ingredient, right? Is the love.
Right.
So doing a bacon bit right here. So you have a good understanding of when they need to be flipped?
Not really, I just guess.
Yeah. Alright guys, and breakfast is quite literally glowing with that beautiful sun. We got our bacon bit pancake, the sausage links, and that bacon right there. Oh, look at those sun flares! Thank you, Popo, for the pancakes. They were delicious.
No problem.
Alright, Grammy and Grandpa, we have an adventure today, but what is the place we're going to, of destination?
Stone Mountain Hawk Watch Platform. So
we're going to be able to hopefully have a really good overlook, right?
Hopefully.
Good view of the valley, I guess you could say, right?
Yep.
We're currently on what's called Turkey Hill Road.
They just did this.
It's pretty cool.
Turkey Hill Road. I can tell you on this map whereabouts we are.
Wow, guys, look at this view. We made it to the Powerline Vista, they call it, right?
Yes,
Isn't that a thing of beauty?
that is really pretty.
Well, we made it.
We did.
It's a thing of beauty, isn't it?
Yep, we should take some pictures of that.
Wow.
Oh, there's a chicken hawk. Maybe this is it.
I don't know where they're going, but they seem to be in a hurry. Well, and it turns out we have to get up even further to get the overlook, right? But we still had a pretty overlook. Just
I'm gonna go up here and turn.
have to go up here. And this time Grammy's driving.
Yeah.
And we just have like a quarter of a mile, I guess, going back here to get to the actual overlook, even if we kind of already had an overlook. So we'll get an even better, hopefully, overlook. Some signage and postage. Well, we are quite literally hiking on rocks. And I think we're just supposed to go across there. Easy enough, right? We nearly made it through
We got
such...
3 bars.
We got a lot of service.
3 bars of
This
service up
treacherous trail.
there. We almost turned back too.
We made it in. There is a platform, in fact.
Look at the farms.
I know. Alright guys, so we made it back from the Hawk Lookout. Oh, I mean, honestly, the view wasn't as good as over there, but it was, you could see more farms, and that was cool. It's very hot up there because you're directly in the sunlight. Grammy, did you like that?
Yes, it was kind of neat.
Yeah.
The
Papa,
farms were neat.
yeah, the farms, cool to see the farms. Papa chickened out, right, Pops?
Yep.
But honestly, you didn't miss per se.
This
like
is
it's
just
good.
as good,
This,
isn't it?
yeah, this was better. So. So we're checking out this little cemetery right here. It's in honor of the Revolutionary War and Civil Wars by Frank P. Hammond. Post number 24, American Legion of Huntingdon, PA. Revolutionary War, William Johnson, Daniel Gray. Civil War, Jacob Hoover, Isaac T. Pierce, Henry Pryor, Jesse Darmont, Fulton Craig, and Jonathan Harper. Looking at it, it's really sad because there are some babies that unfortunately died. This one right here was only 2 days old. This one is 2 months. This person lived to 60 years old. That one lived to 86. Back in 1892, that's actually pretty impressive. So we checked out that cemetery. It was very peaceful. Definitely older deaths. Unfortunately, a lot of younger people. Just like the time period. A lot of mid 1800s, later 1800s. I think the most recent was 1926.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's cool. Everything you check out is just cool. It kind of adds more to the history of the area. You kind of get to know it a little better. You know. What you think of it?
We got moved. Oh, I thought it was kind of neat.
Yeah.
Actually,
And kind of sad.
Yeah,
A lot of people died
a lot of
early.
babies, small children.
Be thankful for modern healthcare, I guess, right?
Yep.
Because it was non-existent back then. It's lunchtime, and for lunch we're having caprese sandwiches.
Yep.
So it is Italian bread.
And some dipping sauce.
Yes. What's that dipping sauce?
Well, some egg vinegar, some oil. What else? Garlic.
The sandwich, it's Italian, mozzarella, tomato, and basil, whatever you want to say. Well, I'm going to dive in. Well, now we're going to check out the historical furnaces, which I think there's only maybe one that's still fully intact, right?
I have no idea.
I think that's what the one park ranger said, but thank you, Grammy and Papa, for the amazing lunch. We also had some potato salad, some cottage cheese, and some baked beans on the side. So kind of a little picnic, quote unquote, I guess you could say. So thank you for that, Papa. You did really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Grammy, for helping prepare the sandwiches.
You're welcome.
Did you also make the sauce? The dipping sauce?
I made the sauce.
Papa? Okay.
At home.
Oh, nice. Alright, guys, we have made it to the furnaces, but it looks like only one furnace is intact. The furnace is absolutely huge. I don't know how well you guys can tell. It's a big furnace. Anyways, these are the raw materials needed. Before the age of railroads, the ingredients for iron production needed to be nearby. Therefore, blast furnaces were built in rural areas surrounded by the essential raw materials. A source of iron ore was essential. Huge forests supplied wood to make charcoal, a fuel that burned with intense heat. A stream of creek provided water to power to operate machinery designed to fan the charcoal, fire raising its temperature to nearly 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. As the furnace fires burned, limestone separated impurities from the molten iron. So you can see right there. And then this right here says some ore was found near the surface, while other deposits required minerals to dig long tunnels to quarry pits. It says iron ore at Pine Grove Furnace. Today this is Fuller Lake. So we can show you that lake there later. Get a good look at it.
After Furnace 2 closed in 1904, workers dismantled abandoned structures, relocated some, salvaged the wood from others. Vegetation gradually engulfed the 2 stone stacks you see today. The other one is right behind those trees. And not until 1936, when the Civilian Conservation Corps stabilized Stack 2, the ruin on your right, did the most striking reminder of the local iron-making legacy reemerge. 40 years later, archaeologists investigated the ruins of Stack 1, the ruin on your left. In the course of a few years, the charcoal furnaces, Greenwood Furnace, in the township will likely cease operation on account of the scarcity of accessible timber. Letter published in the Semi-Weekly News, Huntingdon, PA, February 13, 1902.
So that's 1902, and they were already scared about resources of the
2 years
wood.
before this one closed, they said it was going to close because they were the trees. They were the trees.
So there probably actually is somewhat more trees in this area than there was then, right? Because they're probably able to
This is probably why the trees aren't real huge.
Yeah.
Because it's only been, what, 115 years.
Yeah. So it's just layers of iron ore, charcoal, limestone. I mean, wow. Though, like, Greenwood Furnace Stack Number 2 replaced Stack Number 1, erect 1833, about 62 feet north. Erected 1860, reconstruction 1935, and dedicated August 8th, 1936 to Samuel T. Moore, throughout whose efforts this stack was preserved.
See the white stuff? That's the light.
Wow.
Stalactites?
Well, stalactites?
Well,
Stalagmites? We suspect those might be stalactites because the water's meeting with the limestone. This was furnace number 1,
I don't understand.
but
Is there anything on?
it's not intact. Holy. Definitely you can see it's not as smooth because it's
Well, that's just
much older.
We'll have to go over there, and you can see there's an opening into there.
Is there?
Something there, but we'll
Yeah.
have to get out of this mess.
It's very different. This stone wall though looks like it's the same kind of stone as the furnace.
And they have a stone wall here. There's up there. There's on the other side. This is parts of it. Everything. This is parts of it that's fallen down.
Probably.
It's like rubble.
They're cemented together, stones. So it's probably.
Get a picture of that. So we're in the park office. This is the original organ to the Greenwood Furnace Church, the Methodist Episcopal Church, placed in 1897. The condition this thing is really impressive for its age.
Oh, this.
So guys, in front of me is the beautiful spillway. This thing is roaring and rushing with water. Alright, so Papa, what's she making right here? What's it called?
Easy baked pork chops.
Easy baked pork chops.
Yes. We have a box of stuffing mix. We've added 1.5 cups of vegetable broth, a 1/2 cup of butter in there, and I put the juices from the peaches.
So this is a 12-inch induction oven?
Yes. Now we're going to put the pork chops on top.
So is there any special kind of pork chop this is supposed to be?
supposed to be bone in, but I don't know what we got.
No, we don't have bone in. Should
Well,
we?
it's supposed to have bone in.
Oh yeah, there is a little bone.
So we got 4 beautiful pork chops in there.
The preserves, which is 1/4 cup of apricot preserves, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 3 tablespoons of dry minced onion.
A little bit of salt and pepper.
Yep, just.
So how much of that preserve you doing?
I'm doing a 1/4 of a cup, I believe. Yes, 1/4 cup of the preserves.
Apricot preserve.
Yes.
So how much Dijon is that?
It's 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, which I measured at home, so I didn't have to bring a whole
Container.
container.
Because you got limited space in there.
very
so.
limited space. And something else is in. Oh, my onion.
So doing these trips, does it make you want to get a bigger camper?
Aiden, you know it does.
Yeah.
But I don't want to pull it.
Well, you wouldn't be the one pulling it.
I know. But you know what? With it, just the 2 of us, it's not really an issue.
So now your mixture goes on. Like a glaze almost.
Did you do onion?
Oh, I didn't do onion. Those have onion in those. We'll just sprinkle it on.
Oh, look at that. Good scraping.
And then we take and put the peaches, the sliced peaches we have. Oh, they didn't slice that one too good. Over top.
See, we got a citronella candle burning, hopefully to try to get rid of these annoying bugs. If it actually worked, I'd like that, because I'd rather not have bug spray on and just have that work, but
Exactly.
we'll figure that out.
Okay. Now we put them over the coals. Okay. Now, I forgot to mix these onion in with
Peaches.
the preserves, so we'll just throw them on top. It'll work.
Got 20 on top,
And I probably got 15 on the bottom.
15. So that's going to go in there for how long?
An hour.
An hour.
Just turn it every 15 minutes.
Alrighty. Alright guys, dinner's ready. Our pork chop's ready with the stuffing. How long, Papa, would you say you cooked that for?
An hour.
An hour? Exactly.
Yep.
And it's looking beautiful, right?
It looks good.
And hopefully it's yummy.
Hopefully it's yummy.
Well guys, had dinner and I really like that. Those pork chops were definitely different than what I'm used to, but they had a little sweetness, they're good to them. Stuffing I could take or leave. It wasn't like terrible or anything, but it was okay. But the pork chops, man, they were really good. So I'm gonna hand it over to Grandma and Grandpa, see what they think.
I thought it was very good. The stuffing, the gluten-free stuffing mix was a different one. I didn't care so much for it, but it's a good. It's different.
Yeah, I guess it was just a different brand than you're used to, right?
Yep.
But the pork chop, though, I liked it. It was cooked really well, too, so it wasn't overdone.
Pork chops are really good.
Yeah. Papa, what you think?
I thought for never making it before, or at least with that stuff anyway, I thought it was good. I mean, I don't know whether I'd make it again, but it was very good for what we had.
Yeah. So you're doing a crossword right now?
Yeah. Figured I brought the book, I better do it.
Yeah. Well, good to see you guys are up to something. Doing anything right now?
Oh, just looking through our pictures today.
Well, that's good. And a sort of a fire going. I guess a version of a fire.
Yeah.
Hey, it'd be nice.
Papa, you gonna try to get that going more?
I could cheat, but it'll go.
Okay. I did forget to say, but for dessert we had some cherry pies. Is that what they were?
Mountain pies.
Mountain pies, yeah, cherry mountain pie. Pretty good. That filling, though, you are right. It is to die for.
Yeah,
pretty good.
It's a little bit different than what we used to have.
What's that brand?
Solo. S-O-L-O.
Solo. So keep that in mind if you're in the grocery store. Look for that kind, right?
Walmart has it.
Yep. Not affiliated or sponsored, by the way. So
That's right.
we're just honest people who like
Spreading
good food.
the good news.
Yes, exactly. Alright guys, dessert time, and this is actually my second one. This is a s'mores, but this ain't in any old-fashioned with Hershey's. This is a York s'more, so we got mini York peppermint patties, and it is yummy. Do you love it, Grandma?
Oh, they're the best. These are absolutely the best.
And actually, it's nice that they're unwrapped because you can just sneak in and get some. So, don't have to hassle with the unwrapping.
That's right.
Well guys, we're currently heading to the lake, try to catch the sunset. Papa is gonna stay at the campsite, so we can attend the fire. So we're gonna get some pictures for him so he can see it. And I will let Grandma drive. How's this 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe GLS drive? Would it drive better if it was a new car?
Oh, no. This is the best. It's the bomb. This way.
So, really wasn't much of a sunset. We could see that well, but
Yeah. Too many trees, too many mountains.
still got some cool photos. Very peaceful.
Yes, very peaceful. And buggy.
Yeah.
Don't forget the bugs.
We should have probably brought bug spray.
Yes.
So,
Should have put it on.
so.
See? No light.
Open this. Not gonna turn on. Go on the other side. The exterior lights are going on. They're not going on like they should. Let's see. Switch that. No. So they go on if you turn them on, but when you open the door, back ones. Oh. Yeah, okay. So it's like, if you turn on the lights themselves, they go on, but if you open the doors, even the back ones, they don't go on.
Correct.
So something electrical is not working.
So that's working. I don't know where in the door that tells it to turn on or turn off. With that button.
Yeah. Is there a sensor?
It used to work. And then we washed a car, cleaning the inside of the car when the doors open, so I shut the lights out.
Did you get water somewhere?
We weren't washing, it was cleaning the inside.
Oh.
So I don't know if there's a button that's just stuck in and it's not working.
Is there a sensor or something?
I don't know.
I think it's a sign I needed a new car.
Thank you.
Seriously, Aiden?
I'm being dead serious.
Seriously?
Yeah. I'll go car shopping with you.
Of course you will.
Alright guys, it has been a very action-packed trip. This is day 3, so this is the final night. I'll see you for one last morning. Tomorrow we leave, so I will see you then. Good night. Good morning everyone, and wow, is this lighting beautiful. The sun is just beaming. It is breakfast time. Papa's doing some delicious pancakes.
Yep.
Got a
chocolate chip and bacon bit.
Yep. Getting the best of both worlds today. Kinking it up a little bit, so. Is that what almost done?
Yeah, I think.
I thought it's just sticking a little bit. There you go. Need a plate ready? You don't think? Oh, it's ready? Alright. Beautiful. And we got some beautiful bacon and sausage ready to pair with this beautiful pancake. Well guys, and Papa just topped off this pancake with another one, so a beautiful double-decker we got going on, so I'm going to dive into this. Thank you, Papa, for breakfast. It was delicious.
You're welcome.
Everything was amazing. Having some Welch's grape juice, look at that. in the sunlight. Alright. The Concord grape juice has such a signature flavor to it. Yummy. Well guys, it's certainly a sad day, but also I'm just really happy this was an amazing trip. We got the A-Liner, 2017 A-Liner Expedition hooked up to this beautiful 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe GLS with a black exterior. The only LED headlights it has are these daytime accent running lights. Then you have halogen high beams and halogen low beams, halogen turn signals, and halogen fog lights. So we got all halogen and incandescent with an accent daytime running LED light. So thank you, Grammy and Grandpa, for this amazing trip.
You're welcome, sweetie. I'm glad you had a good time.
Oh, it's been amazing.
This is not tight.
Trying to get that towing mirror on. Wouldn't it be nice if you had a truck with towing mirrors?
Yes, it would.
Thank you, Papa, for this amazing trip and driving us.
I'm glad you had fun.
Thanks for being the designated driver. Yeah, for sure. Tell you what, that's probably an opportunity I'll never be able to have again, but very grateful for that. It was really amazing, very nice of Sandy at the museum.
Yeah.
How many miles are on this?
148,285.
How's it doing for that amount of miles?
Good.
Good. Showing its age at all?
Yeah,
Yeah.
somewhat.
See those little light up things on the dash?
Yeah. We got a check engine on right now.
Yeah, from a vapor. What is it?
Vapor.
Something about emissions. Is our sensor not working?
It's got a leak something.
Got a leak.
somewhere.
Oh, so it's not going to really affect it too much running.
That's what they say.
It just might affect it with an emissions test. If you ever get one of those done soon. So in the front you have these aluminum 19-inch wheels, but unfortunately they're quite dirty right now. So they look more of a gray, like darkish gray than they really are. Or a gray, but not quite this dark. Think she needs a bath, don't you say, Grandma? Give this baby a little of a bath. Somewhat, yeah.
Yeah, so are you going to do that for us when we come home?
Maybe. You got a power washer, right?
Yeah, we're not using power wash.
You don't use it on the car?
No.
You don't have like a soft jet to, so it's not a lot of pressure per se?
No, I don't think so.
Cause you can get like an adapter thing to go over, so it's like not so much pressure. Well, guys, just left our site. Put that up. There's a slight tint on these windows because that's factory tint, nothing aftermarket. Alrighty, guys, it's 11:03. We're leaving. We got the trash dropped off. We went to use the bathroom for one last time until our lunch break. And yeah. Thank you, Grammy and Papa, for this amazing trip.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
It truly was a very special trip, very memorable. Lots of beautiful scenery. And of course, I got to sit in. So I'll update you guys along the way if anything interesting happens, and yeah, I'll just keep you updated. Well, guys, literally seconds after I stopped recording, we realized that we are stuck behind 2 tractors. So yay! Isn't that your guys' favorite?
It is.
Just love it.
Oh, we do.
Well, guys, the nice folks in the tractors pulled over when there was an opening on the side of the road so we could pass. So Papa honked at them as a thank you, right?
Yeah.
It's always nice when you have people like that. Good Samaritans, as I like to say. Alright, we're here at the gas station getting some gas. Grammy's trying to hook up the mirrors. Hopefully you can hear me. There's a dog barking, there's motorcycles, the radio's on, there's a lot going on, so yeah. When I mean everyone and their mothers here, I mean it. Thank you. Alright. Finally got it unlocked. Oh my gosh. Could it be any busier here?
I don't think.
So it's Thursday the 3rd, and this is Phillipsburg. We're in Phillipsburg for the sheets, and I guess it is the day before 4th of July, so everyone decided to come here today. And there's Grammy. Just about ready to get in. So now we're about ready to hit the road again.
12:18.
12:18. And I'm gonna buckle up. And what road do we have to get back on?
322.
322, alright. There we go, got the seatbelt on.
I assume it's this one out here, correct there?
Yes.
Grandma, you getting your belt on? Good job, alright. We're ready to go on the road again. Alrighty guys, so we're stopping here at Reynoldsville for lunch. The Reynoldsville, PA rest stop. And look at this gorgeous little patio situation they got here with the table. Get a view of the woods. Literally back in the woods, I love it. You got the hemlocks. So, look at this. Just absolutely beautiful. I have to say, this might be one of the most beautiful rest stop eating areas I've ever been at. Isn't it just gorgeous?
Yes, it is.
It's quite lovely weather. We're like a little back in the woods. Got our best sandwich ever's ready. Got some chips, some applesauce. Isn't it beautiful, Papa?
Oh, lovely.
And of course for dessert we can have these Rice Krispie Fug sandwiches. Aren't these things just things of beauty right here? About to get in this 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe GLS with that beautiful 2017 A-Liner Expedition hooked up. There's a semi right there pulling up, so. There's the air brakes going off. I'm gonna put up the shade for a little bit. Actually stayed nice and cool in here. Well guys, it's 1:56 and we are now on the highway. Well guys, we have made it home and it is 3:19 p.m. Now we're just gonna have to start unloading all that stuff. What an amazing trip that was. And that power lift gate's still doing the work 10 years later. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribing would be greatly appreciated because it helped me get to 900 and it helps you stay up to date for all my latest videos. Stay tuned because soon there will be a full tour on the Swigart Auto Museum video coming out very shortly. So I will see you guys then. And as always, peace out.